Okay, this is you do round 1 on the back of the index. Write the equation of a line in point-slope form that passes through these two coordinates. You will usually see me sketch this. -4, 5 is something like this. And 1, -5 is something like this. Alright, let's figure out the slope. So we had to move down. So from y = 5 to y = 0, that's 5 units. And then from y = 0 to y = -5 is 5 more. So that's down 10. We have a move to the right, because we always move right. From x = -4 to 0, that's a move of 4 units. And then from x = 0 to x = 1, that's 1 more unit. So 4 plus 1, that's right 5 units. This is down 10 as I go right 5. This is -10 over 5. This is -2, and we have our slope. Now, this asks us to write in point-slope form, and just a little bit trickier here because of this. So we're looking at y = -2 times, and then here we have this x minus x1, and then plus y1. And here our x1 is -4, and our y1 is +5. Now watch what happens here. So this is y = -2 times x minus, and now I have to bring in the negative from x1. So that's -4 there. And then y = 5, that's +5. So now we need to simplify here where it says x minus -4. That's x plus 4. Then +5. And look what happens. This is a move to the left because we're going to x = -4. So when we go left, we see x plus something. See the letter L in the plus sign with x plus 4. That says go left. And then +5 says go up 5. Let's do another one. Write the equation of a line in point-slope form that is perpendicular to the original line and also hits this point 1, -5. So first we need to do perpendicular. So we need to change the slope. This should be y =, and we need to go from slope of -2 to slope of positive. Instead of 2 over 1, we have 1 over 2. Slope, x, this is x minus x1, where x1 is 1. So x minus, bring in the 1. That says go right 1 unit. Then -5. So just like before when we had +5, and that said go up. This says -5 and we go down. And you've done it. Okay, so in our key understanding, we're going to put a couple of examples. We're just going to write that the slope is m, but let's say that we have a line through, now over here, let's do 2, 5. That should be y = the slope times, and this is right 2 and up 5. X minus 2 is right 2, and then +5 is up 5. Okay, good. Let's do another one. This time, let's go through a negative x value, but then a positive y value. So this should be y equals the slope times. This is, careful, x minus negative 3. And that's the same as x plus 3. See the letter L in the plus sign when you look in the parentheses as a reminder to go left. And then again, this is up 5. That's left 3 and up 5. Finally, let's do an example where the y value is negative. And we'll do negative, negative, like this. So let's say we had negative 1, comma, negative 8. That would be y equals the slope times x plus 1. Plus 1 for left 1 unit. See the L in the plus sign inside the parentheses. Left 1 and down 8. And those are some great examples, Smarty Pants. Great job!